Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Bossrox DIY Solar, and this is part 2 of my video where I attempted to pre-charge my system using this high wattage light bulb here that I usually use when I'm pre-charging the inverters individually, and it works just fine. But when I combined all of my inverters, all 3 and all 5 of my chargers on that light bulb there, all I got was a dim glow on it, and the light never went out, because usually when you hook it up to a single inverter, it'll start out bright for a few seconds, and then it'll just dim down gradually, and then once it dims down, you can hook up your inverters. Well, anyway, so that didn't happen, so I had to come up with a different idea to try to pre-charge my system, and this is what I came up with, an adjustable load battery tester. And what I'm going to attempt to do here is I've got the system off now. Batteries turned off. All the power going into the solar panels has been cut off, so it's completely dead right now. And here we go. I'm going to turn this on. Here's the switch in the previous video that turned on the light bulb. And let me see, make sure my load tester is off. Okay. Alright, so this is a 12-volt tester to pin my voltmeter all the way to the end. Now, we'll just turn this thing gradually here and see what happens when we get to a certain load here. I expect to see the meter jump a little bit and then drop back down once the capacitors are fully saturated. Okay. Okay, all right. I just got lights on my chargers, and my inverter over here kicked up for a second, so that means that they're fully charged now, I guess. So that means I should be able to turn on my breaker now. And unlike yesterday when I attempted to turn it on, I heard a good loud snap, which means that it sent a lot of current into the system going through his breaker. Now we'll turn it on and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, that's just what I wanted to see. All right, so the system is now pre-charged. I can kill the charge switch and turn this back down. All right, and turn all the breakers onto my system. All right. And go over to my inverter here and fire it up, and it should come right up. And there we go. We got lights. All right. Well, there you go, folks. If you need a way to pre-charge your whole system without having to disconnect everything and pre-charge them individually, this will do it. So there you go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.